Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I moisturize and style my dry hair using the Aunt Jackie's Buttercream Intense Moisture Sealant. This buttercream is blended with coconut cream, honey, shea butter, and avocado, which works great together to help hydrate, moisturize, and protect your hair from split ends. It works with all hair types and is very moisturizing. As you can see in this texture, it's really loose and very creamy, so it leaves your hair feeling very soft and moisturized. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by sectioning off my hair into two sections. I'm gonna go straight down the middle for my two puffs. I find it way easier for me to moisturize my hair when working in sections because it's easy for me to distribute the product throughout my hair. So now that my hair is sectioned off, I'm going to go ahead and start taking small amounts of the Aunt Jackie's Buttercream Intense Moisture Sealant and distribute small amounts of that throughout each section of my hair, focusing from root to my ends so that I can focus on my ends and make sure that my ends are moisturized and protected from split ends. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take my wide tooth comb and just comb right on through each section so that the product is evenly distributed. And I'm going to repeat these same steps throughout each section of my hair until each section is moisturized thoroughly. I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but you guys, my hair is feeling so soft, shiny, and hydrated after using this buttercream. Like, my comb is gliding right on through each section. So now that my hair is nicely moisturized in this section, I'm going to go ahead and start styling this section for my puff. I am doing two puffs, but I wanted to give it a little design with each puff instead of an ordinary puff. So I am sectioning off a smaller section of my hair, and then I'm going to section that smaller section into 4 equal boxes. After creating my 4 boxes, I'm going to rubber band each box, and then I'm going to take the front 2 boxes and kind of diagonally connected to the back 2 boxes so that it forms an X. So the front left box will be connected diagonally to the back right box, and the front right box will be connected diagonally to the back left box. And then you'll have a proper X. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and start working on the other section while following those same steps in order to moisturize and style this section. And voila. Now I have 2 cute puffs and my hair is nicely moisturized and hydrated after using the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Recipes Buttercream Intense Moisture Sealant. I hope you really like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.